Today we will learn some sentences that we need all the time to speak English. If you learn these, you will able to speak English very well. The only easy way to learn English is to learn new sentences every day and practice regularly to remember those sentences. Only then you will learn to speak English quickly. They are shouting. They are shouting. The hawkers are shouting. The hawkers are shouting. It's not noon yet. It's not noon yet. It's still dark outside. It's still dark outside. It's too dark outside. It's too dark outside. I have given up painting. I have given up painting. What can be done now? What can be done now? No one came here. No one came here. Do you have to go now? Do you have to go now? It rains here all year round. It rains here all year round. Give me your address. Give me your address. Where did you buy the shirt? Where did you buy the shirt? From where did you buy your suit? From where did you buy your suit? Which is the best hotel here? Which is the best hotel here? Where did you put my shoes? Where did you put my shoes? Where have you kept my phone? Where have you kept my phone? I will see you at home. I will see you at home. I divided the cake into 4 pieces. I divided the cake into 4 pieces. Or, I cut the cake into 4 pieces. I cut the cake into 4 pieces. The train left as soon as I reached the station. The train left as soon as I reached the station. Or, as soon as I reached the station, the train left. As soon as I reached the station, the train left. I get up early in the morning. I get up early in the morning. He won't let me go there. He won't let me go there. You don't know how to deal with people. You don't know how to deal with people. Would you please untie this knot? Would you please untie this knot? Will you stay with us all day? Will you stay with us all day? Or, would you spend the whole day with us? Would you spend the whole day with us? I have heard a lot about you. I have heard a lot about you. I can't accept what you say. I can't accept what you say. You don't seem to agree with me. You don't seem to agree with me. Or, I think you don't agree with me. I think you don't agree with me. You are very short-tempered. You are very short-tempered. It was not your fault. It was not your fault. He is still not well. He is still not well. Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.